guys, so it's currently Saturday. It's 10:04 p.m. and habol lang ako sa friends ko cause kanina pa sila magkakasama. They all went out for dinner and now nagbo-bowling sila sa Eastwood. So habol lang ako dun kasi ngayon lang ako nagka-energy bumangon cause I went to church earlier and spent the whole afternoon out as well. So I wanted to rest and now I'm ready to go out again. Okay. So I ordered noodle latte. Here's a pack of coffee before I go to lunch kasi I'm craving something sweet talaga like kanina pa. So yeah, share ko lang. Hi! Nag-vlog ako. Uy, yung camera! Guys, di ko na sila naabutan mag-bowling. Nasa bilyar na sila. Ayan.
Ganda naman. Nakapag ba sa akin?
Oo. Hello. Ayan. Doon yung bowling guys, kaso di ko na naabutan. It's a win for Jake tonight, boys. Yeah. Uy! Isa pa, Day! Isa pa! Sira ulo talaga mga kaibigan ko, guys. O, tingnan mo.
Hindi pa tapos.
Wait, nakasan mo? Oh my God!
Yung kalimutan yung pangalan ni Paeng, ha?
Paeng. Ito na lang! Ito, try! Ay naman, ay naman.
Tingin! LDR Day 1.
LDR Day 1. 1 week lang naman yung LDR. Sabi ni Jake, may alam siyang karaoke place. Hindi ko alam yung alam niya palang karaoke place. Kakanta ka sa buong restaurant. Ayan o. Ayan yung karaoke. So, may audience pala kami. Hindi namin alam. Oh, ay nga kuya. Ano yung sinasabi mo kuya? Red Doors saka ano?
Red Doors ka ano po, vodka mix.
Oh, kamusta Jake? Yun o, yun o.
Asan ba tayo ngayon? Asan ba tayo ngayon?
Oh, okay pala itong ano place si Jake eh.
1, 7. Everybody loves his name.
Turn left on Pantaleon.
Hi guys, so I'm done with the gym and I'm now heading back home. Oh my gosh, kumonek siya sa Bluetooth. I'm actually watching my boyfriend's game sa Facebook Live. Yeah, cause he's in Cebu right now. Yeah, playing basketball. So, I'm watching sa FB Live since I wasn't able to go with him. Narealize ko lang. Grabe, pagod ako. Actually, I'm really tired. Grabe, medyo... Hindi naman madaming ginawa ako today. Napagod lang talaga ako kasi baka wala akong ginagawa buong araw. So, you know what? I'm just making excuses. I don't know why. So, yeah, now I'm just gonna drive back home and windows down na lang ako. Ayoko mag-aircon kasi pawis ako eh. So, baka matuyuan ako ng pawis. Yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, I forgot to show you my tumblers from Pro Matrix. We don't sell this one though. Nagpagawa lang ako ng may tatak namin. So, ito yung gamit ko sa gym. It's like an Owala. Look. Ah. Anyways, if you guys drink whey, of course, Pro Matrix tayo. So, yeah. Now, I'm just gonna drive back home. Hi guys, so I just finished taking a bath and I wanna show you my nighttime skincare routine kasi wala lang. Gusto ko lang. I won't wash my face anymore because I just took a bath. So I did that while naliligo ako. So now, let's start off with... Wait, that's so I'm gonna open the door. So I'm gonna start off with my toner. So, yeah. So I use the Givenchy Anti-Fatigue Pearly Glow Lotion Toner. So it's this one. Yeah. What I do is I just put it sa nose ko and put it on my face. So I just let it sit and in-air dry ko na lang siya for like a few minutes, actually seconds, because I'm very impatient. And up next, the Clé de Peau Concentrated Brightening Serum. Yeah, so, yep. Yeah. Actually guys, dapat din meron sa neck nyo, but sayang naman ko, ito pa din yung lalagay ko. So, ang nilalagay ko sa neck ko is just Salatec. Salatec lang. Kasi medyo hindi kaya ng budget ko if pati yun yung sa neck. Up next, what I do is I already put castor oil on my eyebrows. So, what I use is the Retrobay Milky Castor Oil, pero paubos na siya. Pero I like this one kasi diba yung castor oil, sobrang parang lagkit. Pero with this one, hindi. So, kahit na umaalis ako, nagkagamit ko to. Grabe, wala na to. Ubus na talaga to. Timutin ko nung pinang-throw this na. So, next, I use the Estee Lauder. Tama ba? Tama ba pronunciation ko? Anyways, basta yun, Advanced Night Repair Concentrate. Actually, my mom always tells me to put eye cream sa eyes ko because I'm gonna thank myself when I'm older. So, I do it. Wait, last, I'm gonna put lip balm. I'm gonna put a lip sleeping mask on my lips. That's from Laneige. Bye guys! Okay, that's all for tonight. Good night! Hi guys, so I'm on the way to Ariel. I'm here in Circuit. I'm on the way to Good Girls Studio. Good Girls Club Studio. So I'm gonna show you my fit. I do Ariel every year. I actually do it every day before nung may classes pa sa kabilang studio ko, which is Fame, but they don't have classes until November because there's a recital going on. So yeah, today we're doing Havoc.
Okay, let's go guys.
Itong leg mo to, yan. Yan. Right hand, ayos. Release ng left hand. Sige, yan. Sa likod lang yan. Sa labas lang yan. Yan, sige yan. Kanina na ha, tapos hindi nyo magawa eh.
So I'm done with Ariel. So I'm heading home. Hindi ko na na-video yung performance ko with music. Kasi nasa phone, dun ko na video. And hindi siya landscape. So, I won't include it in this vlog anymore. But, it was, yung ginawa ko was, yung parang ginawa ko lang din nung nagpa-practice ako kanina. Which, na-vlog ko. So, yeah. Hi guys, I just woke up literally kasi nagising ako pag like 5 minutes after ko magising, sabi ni mommy pupunta siyang BGC magpapa-nails. Tapos 2 minutes na lang andun na yung Grab. So nakapantulog ako. Sabi ko sama ako. Hi mom. Hi. Yeah, nakain siya ako. And so we're on the way to BGC now. I'm gonna get my lashes done. And yeah. So mom, what are you gonna do sa BGC?
Acrylic nails.
Just nails?
Yeah, pero pareho. Money and pen.
Oh, okay.
Sa kami pinag-usapo, nga naman. Ganda, may 3 na ate.